We got our hands dirty, literally, to test the top car vacuums of 2025. From pet hair to snack disasters, we put these handheld beasts through real-world chaos. Whether you're a weekend road tripper, a rideshare driver, or just someone who can't stand crumbs in the cup holder, these vacuums deliver. Let's dive into the 5 best performers we tested ourselves. THISWORX is the only corded vacuum we tested, and it absolutely earns its spot. With a 16-foot cord and 3 attachments, it gave us full reach across our SUV without needing to recharge. The suction is strong and consistent, and it comes with a carry bag that makes it easy to store in the trunk. We used it for a full interior detail, including under the seats and in the trunk, and it didn't skip a beat. Perfect for car enthusiasts or anyone who wants a dependable, plug-and-play solution. Check the description for the THISWORX link. It's the corded classic that still dominates. We kicked things off with the KMM Handheld vacuum, and wow, this little guy punches above its weight. With 9,000 Pascal suction and a 120-watt motor, it handled everything from sand to pet fur in our test car. The LED light was surprisingly useful for spotting debris under seats, and the multi-nozzle kit made switching between tight crevices and wide surfaces super easy. It even doubles as an air duster, which we use to blast out the AC vents. If you want a reliable, compact cleaner that's perfect for quick cleanups at home or in the car, this one's a winner. Check the description for the KMM vacuum link. It's the everyday hero your car deserves. Next up, we tested the MONOZEL, and this one's built for serious cleaning. With a whopping 18,000 Pascal suction and a brushless 130-watt motor, it tore through embedded dirt in our floor mats like a champ. The cordless design and 7,800 mAh battery gave us nearly 30 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning, and the dual vacuum air duster mode was perfect for blowing out tight corners. It's ideal for rideshare drivers, pet owners, or anyone who wants pro-level detailing at home. Tap the description for the MONOZEL link. It's the vacuum that doesn't mess around. Blestan's cordless vacuum surprised us with its balance of power and portability. It's lightweight enough to use one-handed, but still packed enough suction to lift crumbs, hair, and dust from seats and dashboards. The upgraded motor handled pet hair like a pro, and the LED light helped us spot hidden messes during our night test. If you want something sleek, simple, and effective for regular touch-ups, Blestan is a solid pick. Hit the description for the Blestan link. It's the vacuum that makes quick cleanups feel effortless. Last but not least, the EYYA 4-in-1 vacuum impressed us with its versatility. With 15,000 Pascal suction, LED lighting, and multiple nozzle options, it handled everything from dashboard dust to trunk debris. But what really stood out was its pump and blower function. We used it to inflate a beach ball and blow out sand from the footwells. It's perfect for road trips, beach days, and anyone who wants more than just a vacuum. Tap the description for the EYYA link. It's the multi-tool cleaner that goes beyond vacuuming. We tested them all, and each one brings something unique to the table. Whether you want compact convenience, deep clean power, or full detailing control, there's a car vacuum here for you. Hit that like button, subscribe for more hands-on tech reviews, and check the description for product links and best prices. Your car's next cleanup just got a whole lot easier.